Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious pepper shrimp. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need about 1 pound of large, fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. Also, prepare your aromatics, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, and 1 small onion, all finely minced. Don't forget your spices: 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a half teaspoon of salt for that perfect kick. Now, let's get the shrimp ready and prepare our signature spice blend. Begin by marinating your shrimp with a small pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. While the shrimp marinates, take 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns and coarsely crush them. A mortar and pestle works wonderfully for this. Then, mix these crushed peppercorns with 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and a half teaspoon of salt. With our shrimp marinated and spices ready, it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the minced garlic, ginger, and onion, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, add your marinated shrimp to the pan, searing them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Almost there. For the grand finale, sprinkle your prepared crushed pepper and spice mixture generously over the cooked shrimp. Toss everything together gently for about 1 minute, ensuring each shrimp is beautifully coated with that aromatic, spicy blend. Garnish your delicious pepper shrimp with some fresh cilantro or chopped green onions. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a side of fluffy rice or savory noodles, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.